Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Light for Blind. This video is about most important question and answers relating the history of Pakistan from 1947 to present. Question: Islam was declared as the state religion in Pakistan Constitution of. Answer is 1973. Question: All types of explanation were to be eliminated according to Pakistan Constitution of. Answer is 1973. Question: Myth of Independence was written by. Answer is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Question: Pakistan foreign policy is the safeguarding of its sovereignty, security and. Answer is international relations. Question: The Supreme Court of Pakistan is comprised of. Answer is 17 judges. Question: In Pakistan, the constitution has been abrogated. Answer is twice. Question: The constitution of 1956 of Pakistan consisted of dash articles. Answer is 234. Question: The Constitution of 1962 of Pakistan consisted of dash articles. Answer is 250. Question: When Abul Ala Maududi was awarded the death punishment by military court on Qadiani issue. Answer is May 1953. Question: Muhammad Ali Bogra, the then Prime Minister of Pakistan, presented his constitutional formula to the Constituent Assembly on. Answer is October 7, 1953. Question: When was the 17th Amendment Bill ratified by the President after getting passed by both houses of Majlis-e Shura? Answer is December 31st, 2003. Question: When was the local government system under the devolution of power plan 2001 inaugurated? Answer is August 14, 2001. Question: When was gas discovered at Sui, Balochistan? Answer is 1952. Question: Who was convicted in Rawalpindi conspiracy case? Answer is Faiz Ahmad Faiz. Question: In which constitution of Pakistan the prime ministers were neither member of the parliament nor answerable to parliament? Answer is 1962. Question: Which provincial chief minister was dismissed on the issue of one unit? Answer is Chief Minister Punjab. Question: Which radio station already existed at the time of creation of Pakistan? Answer is Peshawar. Question: Under Yahya Khan's LFO, what option National Assembly had if it could not frame the constitution within 120 days? Answer is dissolved automatically. Question: What percentage of total poll votes in East Pakistan was secured by Awami League in 1970 elections? Answer is 75%. Question: Name the person who assassinated Liaquat Ali Khan. Answer is Sayyid Akbar. Question: Name the second Prime Minister of Pakistan. Answer is Khaja Nazimuddin. Question: Name the head of the commission formed for drafting the 1962 Constitution. Answer is Justice Shahabuddin. Question: Under the 1962 Constitution, there were how many members in the National Assembly? Answer is 156. Question: The Pakistan Forest Institute a national organization was established in? Answer is 1947. Question. Earthquake of October 2005 was the result of? Answer is tectonic dislocation. Please subscribe my channel and like and share the video.